Safety. Rules to be followed at home. Handle sharp objects like knives and scissors carefully so that you do not hurt yourself. Do not leave your toys and shoes lying around on the floor. You may trip over them. Electricity, which is so useful, can also be harmful. Do not touch switches and plugs with wet hands. Do not play with electrical appliances. You may get a shock. Do not play with matchsticks. Be careful when you are near a gas stove, hot utensils, and boiling water. You may burn yourself. Do not hide in the cupboards. Never cover your face with polythene bags. If you do so, you may get suffocated. Take medicines only in the presence of an adult. Rules to be followed in the class. You should be careful in the classroom so that you do not hurt yourself or others. Do not run around the classroom or climb on the desks. You should not fight with your classmates. Be careful while using sharp objects. For example, do not put pointing objects like pencils in your ears, nose, and mouth. Do not poke your friends with sharp or pointed objects. Do not throw things around. Do not spill water or throw banana peels on the floor. Somebody might slip and get hurt. Rules to be followed while playing. You should not push others while playing. Instead, you should wait for your turn. You should always follow the rules of the game. Do not fight with your friends. Do not hit anyone with the equipment that you are playing with. Always swim in shallow waters in the swimming pool. Go for a swim only in the presence of an adult. Rules to be followed on the road. You should always walk on the footpath. You should cross the road at the zebra crossing or at the green signal for the pedestrian. Always follow traffic signals. You should not run or play on the road. You should not get in or out of a moving vehicle. You should not put your arm or head out of the vehicle. Do not talk or accept anything from strangers. Always start on time so that you do not have to hurry on the road. While riding a bicycle, always wear a helmet and remember to keep to your left. Always tie your seat belt while traveling in a car. Insist the adult driving a two-wheeler always wears a helmet. First aid. Whenever someone is hurt, help is needed immediately. This help is called first aid. Whenever you get hurt, always wash the wound first and then apply the medicine. Burns are very painful. Pour cold water on the burns. It helps to bring the temperature down and one feels relief. Then apply an antiseptic or burn ointment over it. Do not crowd around an injured person. Make the injured person sit or lie down. Always keep a first aid box at hand. First aid box contains things which are needed to treat a person with a minor injuries or illness. A first aid box normally contains adhesive bandages, absorbent cotton, sterile gauze pads, gauze bandages, antiseptic lotions and creams, burn ointments, a pair of small scissors, a thermometer, a small torchlight, and a soap, a pair of tweezers, and an emergency phone numbers of the doctor, hospital, and of the ambulance.